Hello, my little friends. I'm the Nature Fairy, and I'm back to introduce you to yet another wondrous aspect of nature. Today, let me become the Plant Fairy. Do you understand plants? Green in color, some with small and some with large leaves, some with hard and some with soft stems, some which bear flowers and some which bear fruits. When nature blooms with green color, it is such a beautiful sight to behold. Come, let's visit my garden again. Here, you'll find trees, plants, leaves, and flowers. They seem to be non-living, but they are filled with life. These plants breathe, but not like humans. They inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Yes, the same oxygen which helps us stay alive. Today, let us try to learn more about these kind and benevolent plants and trees. First of all, let's observe the various types of plants which exist. Here is a big neem tree. Here is a crawling creeper of pumpkin. Here is a henna shrub. Here is a bed of marigolds. And here are the small herb plants of mint and coriander. Here is a lotus flower. And here, focus on another tiny plant, grass. Of course, grass is a plant too. Of course, grass is a plant too. So, did you see? So many different plants. Trees are plants which are large and which have a smaller than trees are shrubs. Smaller than shrubs are herbs. Now, let's focus on trees. Some tree trunks are broad. Some are narrow. Some tree trunks have a rough surface and some are smooth. What gives trees their green color? Their leaves. Let us now pay close attention to the leaves. Some leaves are small, like those of coriander. Some are large, like the leaves of a banana plant. Some leaves are round, like the leaves of a lotus plant. Some leaves are sharp, like needles, and some broad. Leaves come in many shades, like yellow, red, and purple. And the green of different leaves is also different, ranging from light green to dark green. When leaves get old, they start turning yellow and eventually fall off the trees. The surface of some leaves is even, and some have a rough texture. Some have smoother edges, while others are irregular. If we imaginatively put these leaves together, we can create some animals. Look, here is an elephant made of leaves. All right, children, have you ever noticed that some plants have a distinctive smell? With the help of an elder, collect leaves of plants like mango, neem, coriander, mint, and basil. Now, smell these. Don't they all smell different? Are some of these leaves used while cooking at your home? Do ask your parents. Some plants bear flowers like rose, marigold, and lotus. Some plants give vegetables like brinjal, chili, and pumpkin. Some plants are laden with fruits like banana, mango, and apple. Oh dear, so many kinds of plants with so many different uses. Children, now think, what all plants and trees have you seen around yourself? After going around my amazing garden, go on a walk with an elder and enjoy the scenery of Mother Nature. Do not cause harm to any plant or tree, but do inhale their fragrance. Take the permission of an elder before touching and smelling plants. And then revise today's lesson, where we saw different kinds of plants, some small, some big, some with broad trunks, some with small branches. We saw plants with different kinds of leaves and different fragrances. Some plants bore flowers, some fruits, and some vegetables. Now you can easily recognize the different plants and animals from your surroundings.
Types of plants. In this video, you will learn about different types of plants with the help of examples and pictures. We see a lot of plants around us. They are of different types, shapes, and kinds. Some are tall and some are very short. They grow everywhere. Some grow on land, and some plants grow in water, and some in hilly areas, and some in desert areas as well. Let us see the different types of plants. There are basically 5 types of plants, namely herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, and creepers. These are the 5 types of plants we are going to discuss in this video. So let us start with herbs. They are very small plants. Their stem is very soft and green. They can stand erect. Let us see some pictures of herbs. Spinach, mint, coriander, grass. These are the examples of herbs. Now let us see about shrubs. They are taller than the herbs. They are bushy plants. They have hard and woody stems. They have thin branches. Let us see some examples of shrubs. Rose plant, jasmine plant, hibiscus. Now let us see about the climbers. They have weak stem. They cannot stand straight. They need support to grow straight. Let us see some examples of climbers. Money plant, pea plant, grapevine. Now let us see creepers. They grow along the ground. They have weak stems. They crawl and creep as they have big and heavy fruits. Let us see some examples of creepers. Pumpkin plant, watermelon plant. Now let us focus on trees. They are big plants. They are very strong. They live for many years. They have many branches. They have hard and woody stem called trunk. Let us see the examples of some of the trees which we see in our surrounding. Banyan tree, mango tree, neem tree. Let us see some more pictures of water plants, or in the other words you can say aquatic plant. These plants grow in water. Let us see some pictures. Water lily, lotus. Remember children, we can identify different plants by their flowers, leaves, fruits and trunk, as every plant has different leaves, flowers, fruits and trunk. Roots always grow underground soil. We obtain most of our food from plants. Plants need water, air, sunlight, and soil to grow. Now let us see some MCQs to test your understanding. Trees have dash stems, hard stems. Roots grow dash the ground, below the ground. Leaves are dash in color, green. Rose is an example of shrub. Plants that need support to stand straight are called climbers. Pumpkin is a creeper. Trees increase the beauty of our nature. We should never cut trees and encourage more on planting